Today we celebrate the feast of Our Lady of Sorrows. Mary truly suffered a mother's sorrow many times in her life. When Jesus was presented in the temple, Simeon came up to her and to Joseph and told them that Jesus would be a source of division and that Mary's heart would be pierced by the sword of sorrow. When Jesus was 12 years old and was left in the temple, when Mary and Joseph finally found him, Jesus spoke back to them rather harshly. "Did you not know that I needed to be about my Father's business?" At the wedding feast of Cana, when Mary comes and tells Jesus that they are out of wine, he doesn't even refer to her by her first name. He calls her woman and speaks to her harshly once again. Another time when Mary is present, Jesus asks the question, "Who are my mother and my brothers?" And then the ultimate sorrow, watching her own son die a horrible death on the cross. All of us, mothers and fathers, know the sorrow of being parents. We know that we have to start letting go of our children almost the day as soon as they're born, almost from the day that they're born, when they learn to walk, when they go to school, when they learn how to drive, when they start to date, when they go away to college or get their first job, when they find that woman or man that they want to marry. All of those things, even though they may be joyful, are sorrowful in the sense that we know that we can't hold on to our children forever, that we have to let them go, that we have to let them have their own lives. And sometimes we know the decisions they make are not the decisions that we would have made for them. And yet we have to respect those decisions because we love our children. And so Our Lady of Sorrows gives us an example of how to let our children go, how to let them go because we love them, even when the result is sorrow and pain. Thank you for watching today.